stop. One wrong car speaker choice can completely ruin your driving experience. If you're still confused about the best 6-inch speakers for car, you might be wasting money on weak bass and distorted sound. Which models actually deliver crystal clear audio and deep punch? Don't blink. This will change your ride. Let's start. Number 5. Kenwood KFC 1666S is a confident upgrade for any car, delivering clean, powerful sound from 6.5-inch two-way speakers built for daily driving. With a polypropylene woofer, treated cloth surround, and 1-inch PEI tweeter, it produces punchy bass and crisp highs. Rated at 300 watts peak, 4 ohm impedance, 90 dB sensitivity, and 40 to 22,000 Hz response. Installation is easy with included grills. Pros: loud, clear, durable. Benefit: premium audio without premium cost. Number 4. Swakubzar 6-inch two-way coaxial car speakers deliver a powerful, space-saving upgrade for any car stereo. With 400 W peak power, 100 W RMS, 4 ohm impedance, and a wide 60 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response, these speakers produce clear highs, balanced mids, and solid bass. Durable rubber surrounds, pure copper terminals, easy installation, and included grills make them reliable, efficient, and a smart value choice for cleaner, louder, professional-grade in-car sound. Number 3. Blaupunkt delivers a confidence-boosting upgrade for the best car audio setups with the BPS E652 6-inch two-way speakers, packing high-fidelity sound through a 6-inch polypropylene woofer and 1.2-inch balanced dome tweeter for a wide 55 to 20,000 Hz response. With 80-watt peak power, durable construction, easy installation, protective grills, and clear stereo output, the pros are punchy bass, crisp highs, reliability, and a premium in-car listening experience that instantly elevates every drive. Number 2. NVX VSP60 instantly grabs attention with powerful, crystal-clear sound that transforms any car into a premium audio zone. This 6-inch two-way coaxial speaker delivers up to 600 watts max and 200 watts RMS, featuring 1-inch silk dome tweeters, built-in crossovers, a durable polypropylene cone, 4 ohm impedance, and wide 68 Hz to 20 kHz response. Pros include punchy bass, smooth highs, easy installation, and reliable build quality, making it a confident upgrade for immersive, distortion-free driving audio. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate P16 Punch 6.0-inch two-way coaxial speakers deliver powerful, clean sound designed as a premium factory replacement for cars. With 55-watt RMS and 110-watt max power, a 65 Hz frequency response, and true stereo output, these speakers offer crisp highs and punchy mids. Built with legendary Rockford Fosgate durability, easy installation hardware, and precise mounting specs, they provide louder, clearer audio, long-term reliability, and a noticeable upgrade in everyday driving sound quality.